Hey 4x4 owners, wheel spacers are an excellent way to achieve a flat stance and enhance performance. Pushing your wheels out widens the track width, which improves stability and grip. Quality wheel spacers are safe when installed correctly. The big question is, what is the safe torque for 4x4 spacers? Reference base 140 Nm for M40 bolts and 130 Nm for M12 bolts. Before hitting the road, confirm proper installation. Pro tips for properly torquing 4x4 wheel spacers. Key steps. 1. Lift your car and remove the wheels. 2. Clean the hub until it is smooth. 3. Set the spacer flush. 4. Hand thread the hardware. Then torque the nut crisscross. Remount the wheel and fasten it with the stock nut, torquing them crisscross. Double-check the alignment and functionality before driving. How offset should you tighten 4x4 wheel spacers? Retorque new spacers after 50 to 100 miles and during routine tire servicing. Properly torquing each lug ensures safety. Pro tip: always use a wrench and a crisscross pattern to evenly fasten the nut. Who sells the best 4x4 wheel spacers? BONOSS engineers have measured vehicle over 300 times and update over 1,800 drawings, so their spacers are ultra precision. Top perks: FT cooling for better experience. BONOSS 4x4 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling, distributed in a petal shape. These grooves allow the outside cold air to flow continuously through inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air removes the heat, thus achieving the purpose of FT heat dissipation for the brake system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the 4x4 wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which greatly increase the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Forged aluminum for improved durability. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. Advanced Hub-Centric design. BONOSS forged multi-stage Hub-Centric wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage Hub-Centric wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. BONOSS spacers offer great value with extras, FT cooling, non-surface, and more. Top safety and durability. Unlock your tire's potential today. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.